How to log into Pinterest, login Pinterest app. If you wish to log into Pinterest app, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. Now what you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Pinterest application. Once you launch the Pinterest app, this is the option that you'll see. Now you can log in using an independent email address. If you have an independent email address linked with your Pinterest account, you can do that. Then tap on the continue button. But if you have linked your email address or your Pinterest account using your Facebook or your Google account more imperatively, then you can just go ahead and then tap on the continue with Google option. Select a Google account that you wish to log into your Pinterest account with. And once you've done that, you'll be successfully logged in to your Pinterest app. And this is the way on how we can log into Pinterest or sign into Pinterest app. And I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.